So in this video, I'll be talking about the softwares that we use to effectively run our business. Some of these softwares are, of course, utility-based, meaning everyone within the organization uses them, but others are department-based, meaning they only get used by certain departments. So in this video, I'll be talking about each and every one of those softwares, talk about their pricing and why we chose to use them as opposed to anything else. So let's get started. So the first utility software we use is Gmail. This is where our email is hosted, and everyone within the company has a Gmail account. So it costs about €6 if you're based out of Africa, and that means if you have 10 users, each and every one of these users will spend €6, which will translate to about €60. At MonkeyPesa, we're currently 10, so we pay €60 a month for the email hosting on Google. So the second tool that we use as a company is Slack. Slack, everyone is on Slack for our internal communication, as opposed to WhatsApp. We chose to use Slack. Some may ask, why did you choose to use Slack? WhatsApp is a bit distracting. You get on and there's so much family, so many groups. So we chose Slack as our preferred mode of communication. That way, the only communication you get inside there is about work. It's kind of like WhatsApp, but exclusively for work. So those are the only two utility software that we use that everyone within the organization uses. For the accounts department, which manages our finances, we usually use QuickBooks Online. For those that know it, it's quite the standard of what most people in accounting departments use. Most of all, it's quite affordable, so we don't get too many issues in terms of how much we have to pay. We bill $27 per month, and that includes 3 users. But for the larger companies, tend to get either bigger packages or better accounting suites. But for the scale at which we are, meaning the 10 employees, it's quite affordable and works perfectly well for us. And finally, I saved the best for last. So for our sales, marketing, and customer support department, we use MonkeyPesa, our very own tool. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. So as initially, we were using several small tools. We had one for email marketing, another one for SMS marketing, another one for social media, another one for our webinars, and we noticed how disjointed that was. So we chose to build a tool of our own, one that brings together all the things that sales, marketing, and support departments need to do their job. And you can access that via monkeypesa.com. You can get started for free on monkeypesa.com.